Hey guys, today I'm super excited to show you the incredibly handy new app EatSafe, which allows you to track and get more information on the ingredients in the food you eat. Using innovative OCR AI technology, EatSafe will quickly and efficiently scan the ingredients list and give you information on the safety level of each additive and preservative from a robust database. EatSafe is the perfect app for people who want to eat healthier and better understand the ingredients in the food they eat. And it's bound to make your life so much easier. You can download EatSafe today for free using the link on the screen or in the description. Let's take a closer look. Start off in EatSafe by taking a picture of the ingredients list on the food item you're interested in. You can then crop the photo to only include the text of the ingredients to eliminate any unnecessary scanning space. Once your photo is modified, add a caption to the photo describing what the food is that you're investigating, and add hashtags for additional details, such as the brand or flavor. With this information, the app will automatically scan the text and provide you with a list of the preservatives included in the food. Each additive and preservative is classified in color groups. Green ingredients are safe to consume. Yellow can cause mild side effects. Orange is harmful to consume in large quantities, and red is dangerous to consume in any quantities. You can also tap on each ingredient to get specific details about the FDA's information and advice on it. The app also saves every food item you log, so you can go back to the information at any time if you wish. With tons of useful tips and facts, EatSafe allows you to know what food is safe to eat and let you live a healthier, happier life. In addition to food scanning, EatSafe also provides users with individual personalized medical profiles, as many additives, preservatives, and colorants can have different effects based on specific medical conditions. This is an incredibly useful tool that allows you to know which foods are best for you based on your personal needs. Update your profile by inputting basic information like your name, age, and gender. Then you can also change your preferred language, as EatSafe is offered in both English and French. Once the basics are complete, EatSafe will ask you a series of questions about certain conditions you may have, such as asthma, dietary restrictions, or any allergies that you have. With this information, EatSafe will keep track of the ingredients in your foods that you may be allergic to or could be harmful for your particular condition. With so many options, EatSafe has something for everyone and will tailor your experience to your own personal dietary needs. With EatSafe, not only can you get information on harmful ingredients that may be in your food, but you can also be able to track the foods you eat and manage a healthier and safer diet. With a simple photo of your product, you can get a better understanding of what additives and preservatives are in your food, allowing you to make smarter and more informed decisions about what you eat. Be sure not to miss out on this incredible app and download EatSafe today for free using the link below. Enjoy.